This is all the way turned down low. It's high as hell coming from that way. Empty garage. Oh, where somebody just coughed at. See, sensor light just came on. So I get a high signal from there, being microwaved. And I don't know if that's coming from back there or coming from across the street. Nope. Coming. Yeah. It's too late for that. I already caught it on tape. Everybody wanted to turn it off, but it was already too late. But right there, it's still a little high. There it is. Look at that. You see it jump? Didn't move, it just jumped. Slightly moving. Look at that. See? Keep firing. Aiming microwave, see, look at that. Didn't even move. Came from that way.